So ladies and gentlemen, we have ourselves in front of us the Galatin Pro. Apparently it redefines full-size keyboard. It's got an LCD screen and a knob, OEM Profile PBT Keycaps, diverse RGB Backlit, 3-mode, connectivity 5 sound absorbing pads, linear mint Mambo switches, and some software. We got our Redragon branded. Is that going to focus on in there? Redragon keycap puller. Very nice. We got our mechanical gaming switches. I love Redragon. I love that they do this. It's so cute. Look at this. You get like little extra switches. Very adorable little mint Mambo switches, a few extras. That off to the side, you got your 90-degree angle, type A to type C, little transformer on it. What have we got? Some Redragon stickers or what? Let's go, baby. Ready for battle. Whoa. Whoa. You know what I mean, chat? Sorry. First impressions, very cute. Now I remember why I like this one. It's got not only the mint Mambo switches, but it is literally a mint color. PBT keycaps. The print is very big, readable, legible. Got a little user manual here. We won't be needing that today, but I'm glad that it's included for people that, you know, don't understand as much about keyboards as Keyboard Man himself. It's got the little knob. It's got your little screen there. What have we got on the side? Little Redragon symbol. Plug in your type C right there. That switch is for 2.4 gigahertz, Bluetooth or off. Can it actually focus? There we go. And then on this side, we have dongle. And then underneath, you got rubber. I always check and make sure the feet have rubber. That's when you know. My first complaint ever about a leg, I'm gonna be honest. This is my first ever complaint about a leg, is that this leg has a little too much play. This one's $74.99. Okay, that one's not as bad. I got it for the color, okay? I'm not gonna lie, Mr. Redragon. I'm not understanding the color scheme here. I don't see the correlation. But what do I know? You know, I mean, the important thing is it doesn't matter because I'm just that guy and I do just use the same USB. Oh. You're welcome. $74.99, huh? 4000 mAh battery, custom Mambo switch, Windows or Mac, round PBT keycap 5-layer sound kit. You could put GIFs. Do you guys say GIF or GIF? Let me know down in the comments which one. It's got an actuation travel of 2.0 plus 5 millimeters, actuation force of 40 plus 10, and a total travel of 3.60 millimeters. All right, let's get the software. Okay, so this control software has some at least very small amount of Chinese. That has me slightly concerned, but we're gonna go ahead and install it anyways. Hopefully no virus here. What? Okay, so I don't know why the Galatin software was weird. I don't like it. It made me uncomfortable. So I don't know. It looks like we're just going to keep everything like this. Somehow the time is correct. So it says 1454. It's 1454 for me. It also has the correct date. So, oh, and you can use this to control it. Oh, you don't even need the software. Oh, heck yeah. That one's cool. There's so many different effects. Oh, I like that one. So you don't even need the software. I don't know what that was, but you don't need it, so don't even worry about it. Now we're just going to play some games, see how it feels. You want a sound test real quick? Let's do sound test. Everybody shut up. Okay. Now we play game. I'm just going to say hi and see what they have to say. Hello, governor. Oh, I was going to type a heart. Sniping time.
Game starts in
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Team Shoddy Snipers. First blood.
Oof.
Gained the lead. Lost the lead.
Oof, I'm ass.
Lost the lead. Tied the leader.
Ooh!
Lost the lead.
Good shot. Okay, this keyboard feels amazing.
Kingslayer. Tied the leader.
I'm gone. Watch this. No! Oh, I I thought I was
Tied the
cooking.
leader.
Bro thought he was cooking.
Lost the lead.
Oops. Hey, wait a minute.
King Slayer.
Come on. Hey, chill, bro. Relax. Oops.
Gain the lead.
You'll try to pre-fire me, dog? Come on. Come on. Oh my god, I'm trash. You little biatch, you're not even part of this Daniel Tosh 33. Who do you think you are? What are you, 65? Dang, okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thanks for saving me. That was embarrassing. Ah! My flicks are ass! My flicks are ass! Little...
Slayer.
Suck my ass!
Over. Victory.
Woo! Give me those! Thanks, Redragon. It's all because of you. Let's run it back. Imagine if Ninja had a fucking mullet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Team deathmatch.
I'm gone.
Lost the lead.
That was just like a once in a lifetime, like, what am I doing with my life? I don't even know. Can I kill that guy already, or what? Like... I'm gone. I was just kidding, bro. Chill.
Tied the leader.
Ouch. Uh-oh, my teammate.
King Slayer.
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Killing
Oh my god, imagine losing to me. Yeah, what's up, buddy? Uh-oh.
King Slayer.
Get fucking wrecked, kid.
King Slayer.
Peace.
Election Agency. King Slayer.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm not having fun anymore.
Double kill.
He tried to punch me in my face, and you think I'm gonna let him get away with that? Tee.
Game over. Victory.
Oh, we won? Big hype? Oh. Now, that was a good game. You want to know why? Because I won. That's why. Alright, so Redragon Galatin Pro K719. Do I recommend? I do indeed. It was fun to game on. I like the cute little screen and volume knobs. I love them. I like the, you know, just the physical little knob. It's cute. It's nice. I like the mint color scheme. So if you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tech review. Bye-bye.